Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to the another series of applied mathematics, and nowadays specifically we are discussing solution of differential equation, and more specifically we are only discussing differential equation of first order and first degree only. So in today's topic we are going to see what is linear differential equation and how to solve it. So the linear differential equation, since the term linear, so remember that it will always going to have each degree is going to have the power as 0 or 1. So specifically we can say that an differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equals to q, where this p and q are function of x. Okay, so this is called linear differential equation. How you identify it? You will always have the term, since it is first order first degree, the order is also 1, degree is also 1, dy by dx. In second term you have the y multiplication, there may be in some term of x in multiplication, and here you will have some term of x. So that's how you identify the linear differential equation. Now once you identify that the given differential equation is linear, then you need to find out the integral factor IF, which is called IF, integrating factor. What is this IF? This IF is given by, it is nothing but e to the power integration p dx. And from p you are going to take the coefficient of y. Whatever coefficient of y is there, you just need to write it into this form, and this is called integrating factor. And solution of this differential equation is very simple. You just need to multiply y with integrating factor. So y multiplied by if equals to integration q multiplied by if into dx plus c. This is the solution of linear differential equation. So first you need to identify the value of p and q. Q is on the another side, whatever value is given to the another side, that is the q. Whatever value in the multiplication or coefficient of this y, this is your p. Identify this p and q, find out integrating factor by using this formula, and your solution is in this form. So y you need to multiply with integrating factor, integration q, the value from here, multiply by integrating factor into dx plus c. That's how we solve the linear differential equation. So example I am writing here that find out the solution x square 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y equal to e to the power tan inverse of x. Okay, now it can be like find out the integrating factor or find solution of this differential equation. So on simplicity we are just finding integrating factor for this equation. Okay, now first of all just try to convert it into the standard form. So we don't want any term, any coefficient of dy by dx. So multiply or divide all the equation with 1 plus x square. So I am dividing equation with 1 plus x square. What I will get? 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y upon 1 plus x square equals to e to the power tan inverse of x upon 1 plus x square. Okay, now this get cancel. I get dy by dx plus 1 upon 1 plus x square into y equals to e to the power tan inverse of x upon 1 plus x square. Now this is the standard form. I get dy by dx plus py equals to q. So this is the linear differential equation, LED. Alright, now what is the value of p and q? That I need to identify first. So p is nothing but coefficient of y. So this is my p, and whatever value I have in this side, this is my q. So therefore my P is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and Q is e to the power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. Okay, so now integrating factor IF is e to the power integration P dx, which is e to the power, value of P is 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Now this is the standard integration and value is e to the power tan inverse of x. This is the IF, okay, that we wanted to find out. Now if I want to find solution of this equation, once I have integrating factor, then solution is very simple. So solution of LDE is given by y multiply by IF equal to integration Q multiply by IF dx plus C. So just substitute the value here. Y e to the power tan inverse x equals to integration, my Q is e to the power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square into e to the power tan inverse x dx plus C. Okay, that's the solution. Now it is homework, you or try to solve this integration. It is very simple integration, just don't confuse with it. The hint I am giving you, it can be solved by method of substitution. So try this equation, solving this integration, and let me know in comment section, or either way I will show you how to solve it. Second example that I want to discuss with you is dy by dx plus y into tan x equals to cos square x. Now I already have coefficient of dy by dx is 1. So I just compare it with the standard form, which is dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay. Now after comparing, I get that this tan inverse tan x is nothing but my p, and this cos square x is equal to my q. So therefore this p is tan x and q is cos square x. Now this is a LDE. Okay, so as soon as I find out the LDE, I know that solution is given by y into IF. This is the solution of LDE. So first of all, I will find out integrating factor IF. The formula is E integration P dx. Now put the value E integration P is tan x dx. So what is the integration of tan x? What is the integration of tan x? Yes, log of sec x. Now e and log cancel each other and I will get simply sec x here. Okay, so IF I get sec x. So IF I got here as sec x, and therefore the solution of given LDE is y multiply by IF equal to integration Q multiply by IF dx plus C. So now my IF is y into sec x equal to integration Q, I have cos square x. So cos square x into sec x dx plus C. Okay. Now I know that cos x into sec x is equal to 1, because cos and sec are inverse of each other. So 1 cos x get cancelled with sec x, and I will get y sec x equals to integration cos x dx plus C. Integration of cos x is sin x, I know this. So sin x plus C, y into sec x. Okay, so this is the solution of the given linear differential equation. Next example is this x plus 1 dy by dx minus y equals to e to the power x 1 plus x square. So now first of all I want to remove this term, because I don't want anything here in multiplication. So I am dividing the whole equation with x plus 1. When I divide the whole equation with x plus 1, I will get divide upon x plus 1. Each term will of the equation will divide by the x plus 1 minus y upon 1 plus x or x plus 1 equals to e to the power x into 1 plus x square upon x plus 1. Okay, this get cancelled. I have dy by dx minus 1 upon x plus 1 into y equals to e to the power x into 1 plus x square upon x plus 1. Okay, now it is the standard in the standard form, and let's just compare the equation with standard form. Okay, so p I got this minus 1 upon 1 plus x, so p is minus 1 upon x plus 1, and q I got e to the power x into 1 plus x square upon x plus 1. Okay, the value, once I got this value of p and q, I know that I just need to find out the integrating factor. So I'm just finding the integrating factor here. What is the if? If will be e integration p dx. So e integration minus 1 upon x plus 1 dx, which is nothing but e to the power minus log x plus 1. So now just simplify this minus sign. We will get it as e to the power minus log x plus 1 is our if. Now I'm just taking this power here, okay, because in log we know that m to the power log a is nothing but log of a to the power m. Now its minus sign is here, I can write it here. So e to the power log x plus 1 to the power minus 1. This minus sign get to the power of this term. Now e and log cancel each other, and I will get simply x plus 1 to the power minus 1, which actually I can write 1 upon x plus 1. So this is my if. Okay, now once I got integrating factor, my solution is y multiplied by if equals to integration q multiplied by if dx plus c. Okay, so just write down the values. Y into 1 upon x plus 1 equals to integration, value of q is, my q is nothing but here it is, this is the q. Okay, e to the power 1 plus x square upon x plus 1. So e to the power I'm sorry, I just make a mistake here. The square is given here, not on the x square. So I have square term here, and one term get cancelled. So this is not there. 1 plus x. Just make these changes. I am extremely sorry for this. So now my q is, this get cancelled, and I have e to the power x into 1 plus x. So e to the power x into 1 plus x, if is 1 upon 1 plus x dx plus c. Now these two get cancelled, and I have y upon x plus 1 equals to integration e to the power x dx plus c. So y upon x plus 1 equals to e to the power x plus c. And this is the solution of linear differential equation, the given linear differential equation. So that's it. I hope you understand the linear differential equation. I want you to try a few examples as usual, and let me know in comment section if you are able to solve it or not. If you want something more detailed, just let me know again in comment section, and we will discuss it. So these are the 3 examples that I want you to try. Just try it out. Let me know in comment section if you are able to solve it or not. I hope you enjoy the lecture and you understand it well. Thank you for watching. We will meet again soon. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.